And so
Yeah.
the first thing that you have to do as a marketer is not sell the book, but get the idea to spread. And that begins really with the formulation of the idea and then making sure that you are presenting that idea in conversations where there is likely going to be some discussion and some dissent. You want disagreement.
And
How
I'm
do
glad
people find out about you when you come out with the next book? I know you've got a great blog on Substack. Drop your digits and I'll drop digits on how to get into the conference.
Sure, yeah. Just check me out on Substack. My name is Jeff Goins. You go to jeffgoins.substack.com. That's where I do most of my writing, a new essay every week or so, share about writing and life. And you can find all my other stuff there as well, links to books and whatnot.
So, and this has been Dare to Be Great, Dare to Be You. We've been visiting with Jeff Goins, who will be out here for the Sonoma County Writers Conference. If you are anywhere within, 50 to 100 miles of Sonoma County, some people are actually jumping on a plane like our keynote speaker, but come check us out. It's redwoodwriters.org and it's all spelled out Redwood, WRITERS.org. There's a link for the Sonoma County Writers Conference. I'm the chair, and I'm just thrilled with the lineup that we have. It's going to be a little bit of everything for those who are serious about the craft and the marketing aspects of writing. That's what we try to put together for you. So, Jeff, I'll see you on Saturday, and have a safe flight, and we'll see you in a few days.
Sounds good. Thanks, Sean.
All right. Take care.